That means cheap, fun stuff. Temu. See, and that's actually pronounced how it's spelled, which is nice. So we got some stuff while I was gone. And I kind of went into withdrawal because we left bright and early Tuesday morning and we didn't get home until late Friday and I was too tired to open up anything. So I'm opening up, no, late Saturday. So it's been almost like a week since I've ordered. Well, since I've received stuff and got to open it. So I get to do all that now. Everything comes packaged. If you haven't ordered from Temu, think Amazon plastic stuff, but way cheaper. I got 2 and they were pink. So I had to get it. It's like Christmas. But Christmas when you were a kid and you didn't know what you were going to open and what your family members got you. Is it going to be something super fun or not? Ooh, it's a wallet. So I don't spend a lot of money on wallets and purses. I personally think it's stupid to spend a lot of money on wallets and purses because then I would never want to get rid of it. But I like to have different wallets and purses, but I don't like to spend a lot, right? Like one of the malls that we go to, the mall at Millennia, which is a really nice mall, has some really bougie stores. And I'm like, I don't know how much purses cost at Burberry and Gucci and all that. And then whenever I look it up online, I just think, you gotta be kidding me. Like, I'd rather buy a dog or 3 than buy one of these purses. But that's my personal choice, right? So what do I like in a wallet? It has to have the clear thing for my ID so I don't have to pull it out every time. It has to have plenty of slots. I like that it has some hidden areas too, because you could be sneaky with what you put in there. Now this looked a little big and I almost didn't buy it, but I did. Because it was like, I don't know, $5. Ooh, a wrist strap. Wrist straps are pretty nice. And then here you can put stuff in, but here's, right, like normal. But here's something else that's really cool. There's a zipper in a secret hidden compartment. How cool is that? So I did buy this one, and then it's got the strappy thing. So now we can be all like, we got a little bag. Yeah, we do. Who makes it? It's so exclusive. I just can't tell y'all. Oh, I got another wallet. And here's the other thing. If the wallets come in and I don't like them, guess where they go? They go into the dog toy bin for retrieves. So that's what happens to old wallets. Whenever Rich is done with his wallets, I'm actually gonna keep the snazzy bag that the first wallet came in. But when he's done with his wallets or whatever's done, right? Not really pencils because I don't want them chomping on the wood of the pencil, but we have some dead Sharpies in there. Little makeup brushes, like anything that a dog might need to retrieve at some point we'll put in there. So we have cell phone cases, wallets, little purses, little bags, like we can always do it with the dogs. So I thought this was really pretty. I like the little hearts. I have one like this that's brown, but it doesn't have the little embroidery and the little hearts. So I do like it. And then it's got the space for the money. This I was truly, really, honestly hoping this would come in before my trip because this had some stuff I had ordered. But the problem with Temu, besides the fact that sometimes things arrive broken, but they're really great about getting that refund to you immediately. And granted, I haven't had a lot that's arrived broken, but some have, is that it can take forever. But this, how cute is this for a tote bag? So what we had to do is I was almost over the weight limit for my suitcase on the way up, but I also had packed Albert his raw food and some kibble and some treats to use in the food pouch because I'm not putting raw food in my food pouch for while he's working, right? So he earned breakfast and lunch that way. And then he got the raw food also. So sometimes he'd get raw breakfast, then he'd get a snacko of food. But anyway, that was gone, but I won 2 raffles and I had 2 giant bags that I needed to fit that stuff in my suitcase without going over the weight limit. So I had to use James's extra bag that he had brought for my stuff. Not anymore, because this can fold up small. I think it can all fold up to fit into there. And then I have it, and it has a zippy bottom part. Zippy bottom parts are cool. So I've got this. I'm gonna fold that up and put it in my luggage, which I had to buy new luggage too because the luggage I have, pieces are coming off of it. So it is not for airplane travel anymore, but luckily they had one on sale on Amazon, not on Temu, because apparently they don't do big luggages for Americans. These are super cute for puppies. They are about $4.50, but the puppies really loved it. And so I saw it, and so I figured I'd pick one up. And then we'd have it for if we ever have another litter. Or actually, we have 3 mamas that we're waiting on them to come into heat. They have not come into heat yet, unfortunately, but they will eventually. And then we'll have more puppies. So we do pick up puppy stuff whenever we see it. And like I said, they really, really liked those, whatever they are, snuffle balls maybe. But we don't even put food in them. They just enjoyed it. Something else I wanted for my trip, packing cubes. I've never used packing cubes before. Oh, I have one of these, kind of. But I was looking forward to trying and using packing cubes. Aren't these packing? Yeah, okay, so they're all in here. So you put the stuff in there, put like all your shirts in there, and you can smush it down, and then you're dealing with cubes instead of a whole bunch of clothes. Apparently is the way to do it. So we have these for our next trip, and I don't have to keep the plastic thingy because it all fits in there. And I think there's like 8 pieces. So we'll see. And see, I didn't even get pink. This is like a champagne color, and I got this so Rich or Luke could use them too and not feel weird because Rich doesn't want about pink. They're not the Beauty Blender brand. I have not had a Beauty Blender brand, but they have these in the little sponges. I don't know how long these are supposed to last. I know you can clean them, and I clean mine, but they also pick up microbial bacterials, and I don't know how long they're supposed to go before you chuck them. So they're hella cheap on Temu. So I picked up a whole bunch because that's how I roll. Only I had a bag to store these in. I probably do. I also got these. There's, I think, 4 pinks and 4 blacks. I like these little powder puffs. And then I have a Toiletry mesh wash bag. And so I run it through the wash. I picked up not 1, not 2, but 3 more headbands. I do have this in pink, and I like it a lot. I'm funny with headbands. Sometimes they hurt my head or give me a headache. Sometimes they hurt my ears because of where, how this is. These ones didn't hurt because I have one. And they are not even $1.50. Oh, so we use fanny packs whenever we train dogs. And I saw that they had some that were really cheap. Ours are 15 to 20 on Amazon, but we get them pretty quickly. But they have some on Temu that are way less. And I like it with a whole bunch of pockets, so we could put like food here, personal, our stuff here, and a clicker, and a little dog toy, and a Target stick. So I will have somebody try this out. James tried out the last one. It was purple. It's very pretty. So this, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it was kind of cute, even though it wasn't pink. And it's got the 2 zippered, so it's like a 2-tiered see-through thingamajig. And what home does not need a 2-tiered see-through thingamajig? It smells kind of funky. Everything smells kind of funky. I got this. It's a mesh bag with a little pocket floppy thing for, oh, and this actually says storage bag on it. It's a storage bag, right? I don't know what to do with it, but it was cute and it wasn't expensive, so I got it. If nothing else, again, the dogs can use it for retrieves. You know, I've not used one of these before, but it is a canvas style to make your handbag more tidy and less cluttered. So it says it is week 8, stylish and useful big shoulder bag for traveling, shopping, picnic, and ordinary. Just in case you wanted to know. But inside there's the little pocket so you could pop it in. I do have a bag that can come in, and I thought I'll try that and see if it helps, because then big bag has better purpose. Ooh, I got a box. I don't know what it is. I'm very excited. Oh, okay, I know what this is now. Shake, shake, shake. Mirror with plastic cling on it. And so I didn't have a mirror. I had to do it in the bathroom. Oh, look, you can see that is our garden. We have an indoor garden. But yay. And then it has a little stand. I assume this is the stand in the back. See? It's me. It's just a whole bunch of me's. And I was thinking of using this to take stuff up. And what it is it's a makeup bag, and it's got all those things in it. And it's got stuff up here in it. Like, it is a bag with pockets and zippers. How freaking awesome is that?